Good afternoon, everybody. It's Jeremiah with Mobility 316, and today I have a 2017 GMC Sierra 4x4 SLE. You can see all I can do is hold the one button here. It opens up the power sliding wheelchair accessible seat, and you can see the seat will come down. So if you're able to enter in your wheelchair into this, you can. The seat is easily removable as well, though. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. I'm going to have Josh take over the camera. As you can see, you can enter, get right back in if you need to operate the lift from inside the vehicle with the notch raise and lower. Very simple key fob here. Of course, you or any of your loved ones can drive from the standard seat here, but let me show you how easy it is to get the seat out of here so you can put a wheelchair in its place. You've got a little spring-loaded pin right here. You pull this up. Once it's up, you roll the seat out. You're going to undo the harness right here. Super simple to do. Pull it off. I can have the seat out in a matter of seconds. And what you can do is put your wheelchair or your power chair in its place. So look how quickly I've done this. Put your wheelchair in, lock it in. Of course, you could be in a power chair as well. Put it up and you're ready to go. So thanks for checking this part out. All right, just to show you the rest of the truck, we do have all our window remotes over here, just like a regular. They just moved on their side. Got your easy lock controls right there. Again, raise and lower right here. So once we're in the truck, I'll show you that here in just a minute. But it's got your arm that comes out here. Nice leather black seats. There's the easy lock we can install in this vehicle or send with the vehicle. You can have someone install it and you find out exactly where you want your chair. But super neat. Very clean truck, and I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this truck. It's got the backup camera, steering wheel controls, this nice console here, and it's got the heated seats on both sides, your nice backup camera there. So it's a nice loaded up truck. It's even got the powered seats. So let me put it all back together here, and I'll even show you. I'll get the chair put back in. I'll show you going back together. All right, to put it all back away, of course you can do it from when you're inside the truck, because most likely you'd be sitting in this position. Hit the raise button here and you can see it'll do it all, but I'm going to stand back here. Actually, I'll just do it from the, yeah, I got to the exterior. Sorry, I don't do many of these. Hold the number 2 button, very simple. 1 lowers it, 2 brings it in. Brings it all the way back in. And boy, this thing will turn some heads. And not only is it the ability to do all this, but this is sure a sharp looking truck. They've got the upgraded the BF Goodrich all-terrains on it. As I do a walk around here. Got the alloy wheels. You can see these are, they told me they bought these tires about 2,000 miles ago, so I'm calling them new tires. So, you know, they're not brand new, but they're new. Got the tinted windows, got your running boards. So you've got the tonneau cover, and I'm sorry, it's awful windy out today. Welcome to Kansas, but I'm trying to hold the phone as sturdy as I can. Yeah, these tires are, if you told me they're brand new, I'd sure believe you. All the way around, BF Goodrich. That's some high-dollar tires right there. We've got our tow package. Got your spare tire in here. Got your tonneau cover on top in case you do want to carry a wheelchair or a scooter that breaks down back here a little easier. You know, it's got your bed liner in there. Continue to walk around. Just a beautiful truck. The guy I bought it from had a little history on the vehicle. His father used it. I believe his father passed away. They no longer needed it. He told me how clean this truck was, and you're always skeptical, especially on a 2017. I've seen 2022s that aren't this clean. They took great care of this truck, always garaged, never smoked in. This thing is just it's a unicorn. It's only got 18,000 miles on it, and no matter who you do business with, make sure you get a video of the VIN number, not just a picture, but a video. That way you can assure people on the internet what they're going to do. They're going to take pictures of my truck, they're going to cut out my sign up there, and they're going to try to sell this online for, say, $25,000. No way possible. They're going to try to get you to send a deposit for $1,000 to hold it. Once you send that money, you're never going to hear from this person again. They're going to disappear off the face of the earth. If they never had this truck, they're just trying to scam you. Get a video of that VIN number. My name is Jeremiah. I own Mobility 316, and I got this truck right here in my possession. Now you know it's not a scam. We're good to go. Let me find it. Sorry, sun's bright out here. There it is. Let's get inside, look at the Carfax. What we do with that VIN number on a Carfax on every one of our vehicles, you can see no accident or damage on this vehicle. Now Carfax sometimes, I don't know why they do this, but they say they have 1 row going up and down here. If it had 2 owners, it'd have 2 rows, 3 owners, 3 rows. If 1 row means the 1 owner. Carfax shows no total loss, no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. They show there's never been structural damage. Airbags have never deployed. Odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, and no open recalls. Now, No matter who you do business with, find them online. Check out the reputation and reviews. Look at us on eBay. I've been doing eBay since 2004, almost 20 years, 1,551 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback, 100%. I would say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Check us out. 4.8 out of 5-star reviews, 327 reviews. You can see we're here in Wichita, Kansas. We are legit. Now, I hear a lot of people tell me horror stories, how they bought a vehicle from a private individual, you know, someone they knew nothing about, end up buying a vehicle that's stolen, for example. Yes, people are out there selling stolen vehicles. When the police catch up to that vehicle, the buyer does not get their money back. You lose the vehicle and you're out the money. Or they end up buying from these dealers that have 1 and 2 and 3-star ratings here instead of 4.8 like we have. Folks, it takes 30 seconds to get online, Google, and see what the reviews are and people are saying about them. So do your due diligence, check out who you're buying from. Or you might end up with one of those salvage vehicles you weren't told about, flood damage, major mechanical issues. So if you want the low-end vehicles, deal with the low-end dealers and the public. If you want 5-star service or 5-star vehicles from a company that's been doing this for over a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. Okay, back to the truck. We do have the 2 keys, 2 fobs for the keyless entry, and then 2 fobs for the conversion as well. So it's fully loaded with keys and fobs. Like I said, it's also got the power driver's seat over here as well. I'm just going to crawl over here to start up the truck. A little easier for me to get in and out. When I go to start up the truck, you can see all the dummy lights work and they all go out. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag lights. 18,296 miles. Super low mile truck. Here our radio works just fine. Underneath the hood we got the 5.3 V8 engine. It idles smoothly. No signs of any damage. No signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a kitten. Now as I crawl underneath the truck, much of the same, very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any fluid leaks, anything like that. No signs of any rust from being up in the rust belt or anything like that. And no signs of any water damage from being in a flood. That's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks good in pictures, they assume because it only has 18,000 miles on it, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. And folks, I got news for you. New car dealerships get flooded all the time. The water does not discriminate. It goes where it wants. It will flood new car dealerships. So just because a vehicle is brand new doesn't mean it hasn't been flooded. So no matter who you buy from, I want you to ask yourself, do they show me their reputation online so I know I'm dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show me a Carfax report so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, and never been in a flood? If they get on their hands and knees and even bother taking detailed pictures, much less a super detailed video of the undercarriage, so you can see no bent metal from an accident underneath here, no signs of water damage from a flood, and you can see it's just dirt up there. It's not rust or anything, it's just dirt on that tire. So when it comes, do they get out an overpass and take pictures of the roof? That's right, we have an overpass here. I get about 10 feet in the air down here, and when it goes up on the ramp, I climb up, and I'm the owner of the company out there climbing on an overpass to get you pictures of the roof. Who else is doing that for you, especially the owner of the company? So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, when it comes to how thorough they are showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please compare me to the competition. Tell me what ends up happening if you end up buying a vehicle that you can't get a title for because you're dealing with somebody, a shady individual, or you end up buying a vehicle that's got a frame damage and it won't pass registration in your state, whether it be from a flood or an accident. In both those cases, you just bought a vehicle you can't even drive. If you can't register it, you can't drive it. So do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this. Folks, this isn't some $50 handbag off Amazon. This is a very expensive purchase. Demand a detailed video. Tell them to get out there and put their heart and soul into it like I do every single one of mine. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars per month. They cost a lot of money, but I do that because I want to know exactly what I'm getting. I'm not settling for any cheap knockoffs, neither should you. Third, demand a warranty. Our truck comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Go to any shop in the country. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. And then finally, get online. We talked about this a little bit earlier. Find out who you're buying from. Check out their reputation and the reviews. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. Check out, find out who's on the other end of that phone, other end of that computer, and make sure you don't get scammed. All right, before we get the vehicle on the highway, I'm going to show you, we tested the power mirrors, power windows, power locks, the heat, air. I'm going to show you the mirrors and the windows moving up and down. It has the heat, air, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes, tires, replace fluids as necessary. My point is, we do not just run you through the car wash and put them on the lot. We've got a 25,000 square foot warehouse full of lifts. We're very thorough with everything we do, and I hope our video shows that. So let's get her out for a test drive so you can hear it run. Before I get her out on the highway, I'm gonna put it in 4 high here. I always share shift in progress. I can feel it shifting right now into 4-wheel drive. All right, we're in 4-wheel drive. These front tires will grab on the pavement here, which they definitely are. I can feel them grabbing. So yes, 4-wheel drive works great. You know I'm gonna show that to you before I say you truck. I show you everything on these trucks. Put her back in 2-wheel drive, shift in progress. I felt it just shift out of 4-wheel drive, so shifts in and out of 4-wheel drive flawlessly. We've even got the tow package on this truck as well in case you do want to tow a boat or a trailer. It's that time of year, so let's get her out on the highway. All right, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Sierra home, we've done our due diligence, we've made sure it's roadworthy, pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. The steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noises. Got the cruise control set, cruise works good, runs and drives very nice down the highway. Now do keep in mind, we have a complimentary 90-day warranty at no additional charge to you. We do sell long-term warranties that cover not only components on the truck, you know, like factory type warranties, but also cover the conversion, which can be costly to work on. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, it's $500 administrative fee. They got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all the hidden fees, by the time you add up the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about the fees and shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax. Let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. Exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. So keep that in mind when you're out shopping. I'm going to give the truck a nice hard brake at the bottom of this ramp. You'll see there's no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. Runs and drives just like it's supposed to. And if you see this plastic down here, that's just plastic to protect the flooring. So don't worry about that. There's no any damage on the floors or anything like that. And if you'd like to give us a call or a text, 316-262-8267. That's 316-262-VANS. Give us a call, give us a text. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That is a direct line to my cell phone. I challenge you to ask the competition, if they are dedicated enough to customer service, to give you a direct line to the owner's cell phone. Would you get to call in and talk to an automated system and end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person as that super aggressive, pushy, used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give me a call, give me a text. We'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, we're going to sell this GMC whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. But yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicles. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you ever would like to come in to see our vehicles or any of our inventory, that would be great, but you absolutely must have an appointment. We stay busy every second of the day. Give us that call, give us a text, set up an appointment. I'd be more than happy to spend some time with you. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but it's a big purchase. I try to be as thorough as possible. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory, including detailed videos just like this, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures of every single vehicle, and no hidden fees. So you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.